video editing software, which is known as Ice Cream Video Editor. You normally see tons of video editing apps for your smartphone, but when you come to Windows or desktop, there are very few video editing apps, and normally they are paid, they are not free for you. But in this video, the video editor which I am going to discuss is totally free. You can use it for free. The name of this video editor is, as I have already mentioned you, Ice Cream Video Editor. It has many functions from beginner to intermediate level. It can definitely help you in preparing YouTube videos or presentations for your studies. Now you can do several things. First thing that I am going to mention before you is its orientation. You can use different orientation. For example, you can use landscape or you can use portrait. In this case, I am using the landscape mode. Then what I will do is I will first add a color. Let's say I add this color. You can use, what you need to do now, you will have to drag it down here. You can make an introduction for your presentation or your video with the help of this option. Click text and here you can add text. For example, I type introduction. Now introduction has been written. You can change its position. It can be in the top, at the top, it can be at bottom, in the middle, it can be on left side or right side. I will left it at the top. You can also change its fonts from here. For example, I select this font. You can also select several others. You can see that how much easy it is. From here, you can change its duration. Let's say I left it to 5 seconds. Now, this is how you can add a color. Now you can also add a picture to it. I choose a random picture. Let's say I choose this. And again, you will have to drag it down. This is the picture I have. Now, there are the several options which I can use. I can change its general settings. From here, I can change its brightness, contrast, saturation, hue. It is a very good option. Hue is a very good option. It will almost change the color of your video or your picture. You can see that. From blue, it is becoming purple, orange, and almost it has become green. So these are the options which are available in the general settings. Now, you can also add a video file in this project. I will select a video file from my desktop. Let's see, I select this. Again, I will have to drag it down. I have dragged it down. Now again, I can do several things with this video. I change it because it is related to this ice cream recorder. I brought some different type of file. This one. I will drag it down and here it is. Now you can do several things with it. If you want to have the full view, you will have to click this left arrow button and you will have a full view. If you want to get that view again, press it again. Now, here are few options which I want to show before you. This button will show all the views, all the files. If you want to see your videos, because you can have tons of videos. So if you want to see the videos, you will select this, and if you want to see the picture, you will select this. And if you want to see some audio file which you can also insert in it, you will press this. Or you can search by the name of that file. If you have tons of files and it is difficult to find it this way, you can search it by its name. From here, you can change its, I will select all, you can select its icons. These are the small icons, and here it will become small. You will use it when you have number of items in this project. Now, let's come back to the editing of our video. In general, you can do several things with your video. You can even change its speed, increase or decrease your speed. You can increase your speed of the video up to 4x. You can rotate it. You can flip it. So there are so many options which are available. You can set the brightness, contrast, saturation. Again, with the help of hue, you can almost change the color. Press done. Now with the audio, you can do several things. You can increase. Many YouTubers find it difficult that when they record video and upload on YouTube, the voice is reduced so much. You can increase the volume of your video by using this software. You can also apply fade in, fade out, or there are several effects. For example, echo and robotic voice. These are the effects you can apply on this video. Or you can press reset to default and it will reset to default. Click done. Now you can also use this software. Trim is a very common function that we normally use while editing our videos. You can trim your video very simply. Just you need to do is click this and move it towards right, or you can click right and move it towards left. Then what you need to do is just click done. It is that much simple. You can also crop your video. Whatever portion of the video you want, you can crop it. It is also very much easy. You can scale it, you can crop it. When you crop, just this is how you can crop it. Done. Another effect you can add is blurred background. If you are working and you want to blur your background, then you can do it with it. Again, another thing, the second last thing is text. You can again add any text. Let's say I type random. I will change its fonts. Whenever you change the fonts, the look of the video will also change. It is so amazing that you don't need to work hard and it does its things very easily. I will select wild. From here you can change the size of the font, and from here you will change the speed of the appearance of the font. Again, from here you can change the position. I will click OK. Then there comes the filters. There are so many filters. Sepia, old movie, it will look like an old movie, old cinema movie. Vintage, this is another. There are so many effects are available. I think these are 19 effects, 19 filters are available in every software. You can do a lot of things with it. If you want to see your previous projects, you can click here, My Projects. If you want to go back, just click this back button. And if your video has finally prepared, you can export it. Click Export and you will have this menu. From here you will change the name of the video. Here you will where you want to save it. From here you can change the format. Normally there are softwares which can edit videos, but when you save those videos, they don't save it in MP4 format. It's another advantage, and you can save it in full HD. Quality, ultra, high, medium. These all options are available. If you want to save your video, just click export and it will start exporting. And I think a video of 10 minutes will easily be exported within 5 minutes. So this was the short tutorial for ice cream video editor. It is a very useful tool. You must download it and use it because it is totally free. I will drop the link of the download of this software in the description of my video. If this video helps you in any way, if this video solves any of your problem, then I request all of you please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Goodbye.